Did you know that tabby cat rhymes with habitat? I sure hope we see one of those today.
Yikes! Did someone say tabby cat?
Walk along the ocean side and underneath the trees, where magic's unpredictable, kind of like a sneeze. Try to find the garden shed, the place he calls his home. And waiting there for you, my friend, is Nicholas the Gnome.
The Adventures of Nicholas Gnome. Habitats. Hi, welcome to my home, or you might call it my habitat. It's the place where I have everything that I need. It's where I sleep and stay dry when it storms. It's where I have delicious food growing in the garden outside. And it's where I feel happiest. Now, my habitat looks like this. But everything, gnomes, people, plants, animals, even my forest friends all have their own habitat, each different from the other. Let's read about it. Come, take a look. See, these fish need water to swim and flies to eat. That's why they live in a pond. Ducks like ponds too. Then there's the desert, totally different from ponds. Deserts hardly have any water, but plants called cacti and succulents grow there, and animals with special survival skills like it too.
Yep, that's right.
Jack, I don't think I could live in the desert. It's way too hot.
You're right, it is too hot. But did you know that some mice do live in the desert? This is a desert pocket mouse.
Boy, he sure is cute.
They live in burrows, small holes in the ground. They like the desert because they can go a long time without water.
Wow, that's amazing, Jack. I'm thirsty just thinking about it.
Me too.
Forests, like mine, are home to owls, squirrels, deer, trees, bears, and big cats.
Say cheese.
Even places like deep, dark caves in the underground are home to lots of creatures, like beetles, bats, and lunkers. Maybe we should build a small habitat of our own. This is a terrarium. A terrarium is a glass container that holds a miniature habitat. Let's build one together. Okay, now to start, grab your pebbles. Some small ones, like these, will do just fine. Place them at the bottom of your empty container to make the first layer of your new terrarium. These pebbles will allow any excess water in your new habitat to drain. Okay, this jar is empty. Now, grab your activated charcoal and sprinkle a small layer on top of your pebbles. This keeps the habitat clean and stink-free. Next, we need our potting soil. Come here, potting soil. Okay, shovel some out and make a layer that's about 1 inch thick. Now, how big's 1 inch? Well, you can ask your parents, or it's about the length of half of your thumb. But some thumbs are bigger than other thumbs and some are smaller than others. And you know, I've been told by lots of other gnomes that my thumbs are, tiddlywinks.
Oops. It's okay if you make a mess.
Right you are, Pepper. Now we're ready to arrange our plants. Pick out whichever ones you like and place them in your container. Just make sure that you put their roots completely under the dirt. You can always add more topsoil if you need to. Okay, now here's a really fun part. You can choose whichever color sand you like. I chose a reddish brown and a light brown, but you can choose whatever you want. Your terrarium could have blue, green, purple, orange, whatever color sand you like. Then pop in some decorative rocks or other baubles wherever you think looks best. It's entirely up to you. Finally, choose a few miniature animals, insects, or magical creatures to live in your terrarium. Kinda like this guy. He's perfect. And that's it. Your brand new habitat is all ready to go. Great job. I think these animals are really gonna like their new habitat. Want to see some habitats where other plants and animals live? Follow me.
Are you ready to go on an adventure with me? Here we go. We are off to see the world just a little at a time. Come and grow your mind.
Here, at our first stop, we're at Clinton Farms Greenhouse, located in Clinton, Montana. Are greenhouses really green? No, but they provide a perfect habitat for plants to grow. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at all the pretty flowers.
You're right. There are a lot of pretty flowers in here. Look at this one. It smells great. Hey, Pepper, why are greenhouses such wonderful places to grow plants?
Well, Nicholas, it's easy. Greenhouses provide all the essential things plants need to grow. They're designed to let in plenty of sunlight. They have large fans that keep the air moving so it's always fresh. And sprinklers overhead give the plants all the water they need. As you can see, all the plants at Clinton Farms are healthy and beautiful. Hey, the bumblebees seem to like them too.
Hey, Pepper, you know what would be really neat is a flower that changes colors. Check this out.
That is awesome, Nicholas. There are so many different colors of flowers. Orange, white, green, red, purple, white, green, yellow, red, yellow, white, orange, violet, green, red, yellow, white, violet, green, red, white, green, yellow, white, green, red, white. Wow! Clinton Farms Greenhouse is a colorful place.
It's also a great habitat for plants. Another place where you can find examples of habitats is at an insectarium. Let's check one out.
Welcome to the Missoula Insectarium in Missoula, Montana, where you can get up close to all sorts of critters, like arthropods, insects, bugs, and even crustaceans. All of these creatures need different habitats to survive, and the Missoula Insectarium keeps its residents happy in perfectly appointed terrariums like these. This elephant beetle looks happy. This stick insect feels safe here, blending into its surroundings. And this fiddler crab has a perfect place for practicing kung fu. Missoula Insectarium has water aquariums too. Say hello to this friendly blue lobster. Achoo! Whoa. Excuse me, I didn't mean to startle you.
These beetles have everything that they need in here. Water, food, air, and places to hide. But it's not very comfortable for a gnome.
My favorite habitat at the Missoula Insectarium is the Butterfly Enclosure. Like an enchanted garden, it has plants and sweet, sugary fruits for the butterflies to eat. Butterflies actually begin their lives as wingless, crawling caterpillars. The caterpillars spin cocoons where they magically transform and emerge with wings. Butterflies have 2 colorful wings, but they can only fly in warm temperatures. So, they love basking by the heat lamps in their terrarium. Thanks, Missoula Insectarium. Bye, Fiddler Crab. Goodbye. Adios. See you later. Hasta la vista. Bye. Wherever your habitat may be, north, south, big or small, go outside and explore.
Maybe there could be a habitat right under our feet.
Dirty! Damp! Dark! Dingy! Basement? Habitat?
Boy, we sure had a lot of fun learning about habitats today. Hey, I'll catch you next time. Until then, catch this.
Be sure to subscribe.
Thanks a billion blooms to Clinton Farms. We loved visiting the greenhouse and watching your gardens grow. And crawly kudos to Missoula Insectarium. Thanks for introducing us to so many curious critters. For more fun with Nicholas Gnome, Pepper, and Jack, visit our website, nicholasgnome.com, and follow Nicholas Gnome on social media. See you next time. Bye.